Hi guys, today we're gonna go ahead practice how to scan our handwritten work and then submit it to Canvas. I'm gonna show you two ways to submit your handwritten work to Canvas after you scan it, of course. The first time around, we're gonna submit it to Canvas by using the app, the Canvas student app, and the second time around, we are gonna submit it to Canvas by using our laptop or computer. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead scan our work. You can scan your work by two options. One, you can use a regular scanner or a flatbed scanner, or two, if you don't have a scanner, you can download a scanning app to your mobile device, whether a cell or a tablet. I myself use Tiny Scanner. It's a free app, but I paid like $5 for the pro version. You do not have to use Tiny Scanner. You can scan your documents however you like. You can scan with the traditional flatbed scanner, or you can use any scanning app of your choice. Okay, there are many free options. So go ahead, open up your scanning app, or in this case, if you're using Tiny Scanner, let's go ahead select picture, which is a camera option at the left. Now it's kind of dark, so let me go ahead turn on the lights. Now a lot of students like to take pictures of their work at an angle, but that makes it really difficult to grade the student work. And bear in mind, if the grader cannot reach your work, then the grader cannot give credit. So let me go ahead stand up, so I'm holding my phone directly above my work. Okay, now another thing I want to point out, there are additional pages in the back, which is no good. So let me go ahead, take them out, or I guess I could line them all up. Okay, so if you're using the Tiny Scanner app, let's go ahead, select picture. And then you can crop it. That looks pretty good. So I'm gonna just go ahead, hit the check mark. And then you have some options in terms of how dark or how light you want it. Okay, so you can play around with the contrast. If you put it light, it makes it really hard to review your work. So I usually opt for the darkest one. If it looks a little bit weird, then I guess you can make it a little bit lighter. Okay, you can also play with the colors. Okay, just make sure that your image is dark enough to read. Okay, so just go ahead, hit one. I think that's pretty good. Let me go ahead hit another sorry, let me go ahead, scan another one. If you see me stuttering, it's because the app is much different now than when I first used it. Okay, actually, let me take this one away. Okay, so let me just enter a new one. I'm gonna go ahead, put my my phone directly above the document. I'll take the picture. That looks pretty good. I'll hit the check mark, and then I'll just make it a little bit darker, so that way it's easier for the grader to read. So I'll put check mark, and then I have a third page, so I'm gonna hit the add page. Let me go ahead, put another page. Oh, this is not good. Okay, so I have my third page. I'll take another picture, and then I can crop it, but that's pretty good. Well, this updated app is pretty good. The previous version that I had to do a lot of cropping, but this one's pretty good. So I'll hit the check mark, and that's pretty dark enough, but I'm going to make it a little bit darker to make it easier to review. And that's the end of that, so I'll put a check mark. Okay, and I think that's good. So now at this point, I'm going to go ahead, hit share. And then you share it as export as PDF. I'm looking for the Canvas student app. I don't see that as an option. I'm going to look for more. Okay, so I have the Canvas student app right there. This is the first time I'm using it, so I have to give some permissions. And then to submit our assignment, we're going to go ahead, click on submit assignment. Look for our course, whatever course you're enrolled in, you're going to submit the assignment to. In this case, I'm going to select the Mathtastic class. And the neat thing is that once you select your course, you're given a drop down menu of the things you can submit. Okay, in this case, I'm going to go ahead submit quiz 2. Hit next, and then we're going to look at our file. So you can either look for your file, or if you're sharing it directly from the scanning app, whatever scanning app you chose, the file should be there. I renamed the I didn't show in the video, but I renamed the file to quiz 2. So we're going to go ahead, hit turn in, and it says uploading, and we're supposed to get a confirmation. Okay, so I'm having a moment because I see no confirmation. You know, it's supposed to say success. So let's go ahead, look for our assignment. So open up the Canvas student app, look for your course. I uploaded to Mathtastic, and I submitted quiz 2. Hit assignments, look for quiz 2, and it says submitted. A word of caution, when I practiced on quiz 1, it said not submitted. So what I did, I just refreshed the screen, and then it magically said submitted. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead, take a pause right here, and when we come back, I'm gonna show you how to submit your assignment to Canvas by using your computer, whether laptop or desktop. Okay, give me a sec. Okay guys, so to wrap this up, let's go ahead, show how to submit our assignment to Canvas using our web browser, namely by using our laptop or computer. So you have 2 ways to locate the assignment that you're looking for. One, you can hover over to the to-do list and then look for your assignment. So in this case, I made a new quiz called quiz 3. We click on it, turn it in, do what you got to do. Okay, now what if you overlook the to-do list? Then the other option is to look for your course. So let me go ahead, look for the Mathtastic course. Sorry, bad name. And then again, same thing, to do, and then click on the desired assignment, or we can click on assignments and then look for the desired assignments. Something that I want to point out is that I have quiz 1, quiz 2 here, and it says something out of 20 points and not yet graded. So this is just to let me know that I submitted assignments for quiz 1, quiz 2, but the grader has yet to grade it. Okay, so what we're missing right now is quiz 3, so we click on it. So we get to our desired assignment either by looking for it or clicking on the to-do list. Then we're going to go ahead, click on start assignment. If you use the app, it'll say submit assignment, but now on the web browser it says start assignment. So let's go ahead, look for our file. So go ahead, click on choose file, and then look for your desired assignments. I'm going to go ahead, click on quiz 3, and then open it. And then we're going to go ahead, click on assignment. All right, perfect. So we are done with the meat of this video, but I have a bonus feature for you. One of the most important tips that I can give you after you submit your assignment is for you to actually view your assignment. There have been several occasions where a student submit only 1 page out of the, say, 10-page assignment, or probably the work gets cut off. So the biggest recommendation I can give you is that after you finish submitting your assignment, go ahead and check it. Okay, if you're on the computer, let's go ahead, click on submission details, and then we're going to click on view feedback. Let me go ahead, expand this to make it look bigger. Where is that button? Okay, and that's pretty much the assignment that that's pretty much the assignment that we turned in. I'm gonna go ahead, look at it. The scanning result is pretty clear. I have no doubt that the grader will be able to view it. Sometimes students forget to put their name. Please go ahead, put your name, else I don't know who to give credit to. I'm gonna go ahead, review it. Look at that scan result. That's pretty dark. Okay, so the writing has to be dark enough to read, and it sure is. Okay guys, that's my time. Thanks.